Chowtime now. That's your boy.
Let me see who's on that. Let me see who's on that.
Just want to say rest in peace, bruh. I knew you personally, bruh. And you was a cool ass nigga, bruh. Like, you was humble. You were never Hollywood. They never let the fame get to your head, dog. And it's just like, I still don't even believe it, bruh. I still don't believe it, bruh. My brother Boston that called me, told me. And I was like, nah. Like, I just seen you on Instagram uploading videos and pictures. And all that, man, just talking about you, all your little business plans and all that dumb, man. Can't believe it, dog, but man, everybody showing you love, bro. Look, whole Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everybody showing you love, man. We ain't gonna forget you, bro. You gonna live through your music. Salute. Rest in peace.
Bizzle and I miss my dog. Midnight club hopping, midnight we were blowing trees, midnight we were hustling. Man, I miss my dog. Me and you through thick and thin, me and you to the very end. Only you out in the end. Man, I miss my dog. Midnight club hopping, midnight we were blowing trees, midnight we were hustling. Man, I miss my dog.